ikhuzele kuku esuthi ikhwele phezu kwethu ikhuzele kuku akuzi tu siyajulukela akuzi tu siyajulukela
organization is what we are. Let me tell you the truth, bantu bakithi. Ngithe ngikhuluma ngesindebele, ngikhuluma ngolimi lukamama. I-MDC, iZanu PF, kabalandabalani. Let me tell you the truth. Ungahamba uyevota uthi uvotela uChamisa. uChamisa aphume athi yena ku TV is issuing a national statement akhulume ngesishona. Where do you fit? Ufita ngaphi? So i-organization le mina nginje uDube ngamvakazela. Kangiyi kuma organizations lawa abantu bekhaya kwatilitili. I remember last time I had a call from Ezra Chisa but babelevuka and daughter why ungasi support why ungabuyanga hayi kangiyi. But this I feel is what I am. Bantu bakithi ngiyalincenga. Why ngilincenga? Because ngiworried ngabantwana babantwa bethu. Ngile worry serious yikho ngithethe isikhathi sami ngabuya la. I've got a lot of things to do. Kasi support sibe actively sibe lento yethu amandebele loba sisiya ekhaya. Let me tell you one thing, the biggest legacy umgabe ayichiye emathempeleleni yikuzondana thina amandebele ukwenzelana umhawu khonapha ungezwa usufonela ubuye ngapi bengiye ku 1893 uzome sekhulume siyale bantu bakithi we will never progress that way. Mina amadoda lawa sengibaze, I know them from the time when I was a student at Bristol, by the way. They are so consistent, persistent. And I feel ukuthi ngamadoda ale agenda. I met Samba says the presentation, it's a student, Umpo Unobe, Babuya, but they traveled all the way Babuya Bristol, Sabi Zabantu, Sakuluma Satinity. So, Nyalinga ukuthi MDC is ZANU. Or whatever party, let me tell you one thing. I was so zegustrade. Yes, I'm just Zapu. It's where we come from. That's our identity. At some point, I was very close to Utandwe Nkomo. By the way, Daily Mail, Daily News. Story that short Hitler-like journalist is dating Utandwe Nkomo. Utandwe Nkomo was sure, and they had to retract the story. Utandwe Nkomo is like my mother. They published that story. Utandwe Nkomo sued. His boyfriend Utandwe Nkomo was like, so what I'm trying to say, Gidi Lapa Iguti, Bad Bagiti, asizameni ukusupporta i-organization le. I-organization le kabafuni anything from you, bafuna balungiselela ikusasa yethu, i-identity yethu. Singazadelelo. Let me tell you one thing, what international law says. Singabambana njengamandebele. We can have our own state. It's not even a breakaway state, it's the original state. Because from Gudala, before 1893, Imatebeleland and Mashonaland were two different countries. Yes. That is a fact. Welshman Mapena before he died. I spoke to Welshman Mapena and Dabanade. I used to talk to Welshman Mapena Kakulu. We were so close. What umfana soze comment indaba lezo afuna ukuzikhuluma. Ngoba Welshman wayefundisa same school lo Mgabe lapha apha ngapi? Fountain. So utata wabo kaMgaba wayebuya kwaphana. Phela one other thing why indaba eGugurawundi delay. Because Mgabe grew up a very angry man because uthena ubabakhe wabalekela unina walanda intombazane eyayinhle yakoTshuma eMakhokhoba. So he grew up with this vendetta on top of other vendettas. And let me tell you one thing, the last one, why I support this organization. Liyalibone ngengabone enye into ku social media, this shona guy ubhale uthi amandebele, they are western dogs, what. Well, at my level I'm not supposed to landele into lezi, but as a social scientist I look at such things, test things, trying to understand how deeply divided we are. But let me tell you one thing, don't ever buy to the narrative uthi amashona athina lingama foreigners elizweni leliyana. The reason why umzilikazi wabuya wazahlala eMathebeleleni, it was Changamire Dombo. Umzilikazi had settled in Botswana. Changamire Dombo advised, it was a barren place with nothing ingasetshenziswa engelani. That is our place. We are not South Africans. Yes, we are South Africans of the Zulu origin. But let me tell you one thing, Indebele kuthi kuyini. Nothing is called Indebele. Indebele, Likhalanga, Lisuthu, Litonga. Anybody okhulele kha, even ama ungabhala history yeMathebeleleni, even amashona ngamandebele, kwakuthiwa babe ku low class according to umzilikazi. Phezulu, there were the Zulus. Phakathi kubuye amakhalanga lamasuthu labo bani bani. Babe le structure sabo. So you see, Indebele doesn't mean anyone ohlala that area. So ngiyambona abaningi you buy into this narrative. Ubona bayise uhamba beclaim lapho uzobuye ethi I'm not from Zimbabwe, I'm from South Africa, blah blah. Yeah, I know ukuthi yesukuthi Zimbabwe. I don't feel Zimbabwean. Let me be honest with you. I don't really feel Zimbabwean. That's the truth. But it as support nini ngiyalincenga abantu bakaThixo. Yikho ngisukumile. I have nothing to lose, but ngibona ngani lapha ngizabe ngilungisela abantu abami. Yabo.